Start by taking a A4 size pastel sheet and fold it into half, and then again do as shown in the video. Then take a sparkle sheet and cut the shape of the line. Now take again a pastel sheet and fold into half and draw a deer shape and cut it. I am using symmetry method for cutting it. Now draw the pattern as shown in the video. Now take a pattern paper and cut it as shown in the video according to the shape drawn and paste it on the diya made it. Now take the both the shape mates and apply glue only on the half side and paste it as shown in the video. Similarly, repeat the same step but apply glue on opposite side. It will work as a lock for the card. Then take another sheet of any color or a pattern paper, then draw a lantern shape and cut it. Erase the excess and draw some design and paste the stars on it simultaneously.